sila sa rebound to Halasan. Power move! Tuloy-tuloy! I-score! Atarantang. 24 against 50. Number 17, oh! Oh, sakto na, 23-15, walo. That was the voice by Mr. Jersey Corner. Kabukas. Ay, lumabas! Oh, kabukas! Wala! Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Bunyel. Wow! Tuloy-tuloy. Oh, pinahinay na ito. Priority na itong safety, ha? Injury time off.
English dito, English.
Ay, di mo na, relax ha.
Ilok.
Relax. Halasan tuloy-tuloy. Basket by Kasama Magbel. Bell jersey number 23. Pulikat first. Second rebound. Ball shot for number 20. Ilatong veterans player. Sa mga ball na. Final Kauswagan, yes. Halasan. Uy, tatlo na lang. 23 against 20. Agawan, balik number 21. Floater, malakas. Tumatakbo, Halasan. To number 86, Bunyel. Reverse. Ilalim, timeout. I-score 23-22, isa na lang. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 50. 5 minutes and 56. Umahabol ang Team Kenneth. That's the ball game. Lipat na address. Balikin number 13. Lumangap. Arsford Way number 23. Pulikin. Wala. Offensive rebound. Shot clock 10 seconds. Power drive. Malakas. Absidias in the rebound. Punyelo. Nadulas. Turnover. Number 13. Lumangap. So number 23. Pulikin. Shot clock 14. Off the board, Monsanto. Power drive. Halasan for play, in and out. Tumatakbo. Oh, nice pass. Wala, short. 4 minutes and 50. Ball out of bounds. Team Kenneth basketball. 4 minutes and 51. Bola, Team Kenneth.
Nice kawar.
Starting the play, Halasan. Oh, basa, steal. Shot clock 14. Power drive, lumakap, wala. Long pass. 2 against 1. Boniel off the board. 25-24, lamang ng isa. Number 3, lumangap to number 2. Paratas sablay. 4 minutes and 5. Hala sa lapas, Arcelias, double team. Power move off the board for Arcelias. O, lamang na, Saints favor. Team Kenneth. Paula, Paul. Paula Dan. O, awit na Dan. Relax na, relax. Awit na Dan. Foul number 86. Boniel second. Second team foul. 0-8 warning for resentment of a goal. 3 minutes and 53. Lumakap. Oh, another foul. Technical foul. Klaro na kayo ito. Hindi mo nag-ihok. Technical foul number 08. Resentment of a goal. Balik dua. Balambes. Dalawa lang foul. Apel ang technical. 13 foul. Inbound for reset 14. Lumakap. Power drive. Wala. Arcelias on the rebound. Uy, agaw ang steal. Number 18. Esquero. Oh, nice pass. Lumakap. And time. Balik sa lamang. Halatalon na lulas. But a foul. May hand check. 3 minutes and 25. Timeout, Team Kenneth. Foul number 23, Puliket.
Score.
Puliket second, third team foul.
Shut out.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 25. 28-26. 2-point ball game for Team Dark. That's the ball game.
Back to the hardcore.
Saling mo, walang duty yung ba? Saling mo, walang duty ha? Ginawa mo!
Alasan to number 8, Marky. Baba! Uno, dos! Ray! That was Mr. Warky. Offensive rebound. Lumakang. Blocking foul. 86, Boniel. Tulo na. Third. Warning for team penalty ba? 3 minutes. Long two. Short. Halasan. 4 against 2. Halasan. Power move. Asil. Halasan na naman. Walang dribble. Raisin. Back-to-back basket. Lamang na lang 5. 28-33. 2 minutes and 30. Lumakap. Oh, behind the back pass. Ball out of bounds. Single. Shot clock, 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Baseline block. Oh, yes, 3 points.
Ganok Malik.
That was Palatas.
Piningi. Ano si ka-vlog?
A steal. Lumakap, kinaliwa, may sumabit. Foul number 20, Hanasan. Second team penalty, Team Kenneth. 3 shots for number 13, Lumaka.
Relax lang sabi siya. Relax. Yan ako after. Wait, blue box.
First free throw, 1 point for Lumakab. Second free throw, wala, sablay. Same ball. Kailangan naman tayo, di, uptick na rin si Riron. Nakaplay, block, Petabel. 86, pushing bell. Boniel, apat. 3 shots. First free to last for number 21, Daayata. 2 minutes remaining time, 2 minutes. Oh yes, for Daayata. 32-33, Salamak for Team Kenneth. 1 minute and 55. Fires for Gray Marquez. Back to back, hooray! Lumakang drive. Oh yes, umawing agad. The slasher. 36-34, dalawa lamang. Team Kenneth. 1 minute and 31, kila naman. Wala. Spencer Rebound. 0-8. Malalas up, about.
Graduate.
Ilong mo ito. Foul out, number 86. Buniel. 5 na foul, excluded player.
Ball out na ka dong.
Unong taman, sorry. Dili ko aware. Penalty. Warning na lang. Lagi siya ito pala. Wala isang pasarin din, dili. Kung saan na ibusig, pasarin din. Pasarin din first and second. Okay. Second free to miss. Arcelias. Warke Bortray overshoot. Okay, same goal. 1 minute and 12. 1 minute and 12. Corner tray. Babang. It's a long two. Natagapa. That was Tuya. Rebound. Halasan. Oh, nice pass. Baliba, Balabes, wala. That's your rebound. Wala pa rin. 45 seconds. Foul na, foul, boss. But penalty. Foul, jersey number 2. Blocking foul na to. 21, Duya. Penalty, 37 seconds. 1 point number 13, Lumacab.
Score please. 40.
Oy, Broday!
Halasan rebound. Abel. 23, Pulikin. Pulikin third. Warning for field penalty. Balaves. Tuduya. Shot clock 14. Arpilias double team. 10. Tuya baseline short. 16 seconds. Good. Point in the top. 10 seconds. Yes, Lumacab. 7. Agaw. 4. Good. End of the second quarter. 40-39. Team Kenneth. Okay. Once again, this first COWD Bowlers Basketball Tournament would like to thank Budoy Barilio, Kevin Daga, Adong Kabuktulan, Derek Kabukwas, Wilgari Naga, Jun Galabe, and especially kay Bossing Jomina Pasira, you know, and also MHTA President JCN Mabala and Vice President Antonio Estrada. Okay, back to the ball game, third quarter. Okay, third quarter, Team Kenneth Basketball.
Asan yung naman? Hindi.
Tuya, to Balaves, to Arcelias. Double team. Shot clock 14, baseline. Wala. Oh, Lumacab, big rebound. Abel. Jersey number 12. Twenty-one lang yan. Pato, papo. 21. At 12, Arcelias. Arcelias first. Time to shoot. Wala, malakas. Ball out of bounds. Okay, welcome to the second game. Another exciting match. Championship game. Oh, Doya. Offensive foul. Number 21, Doya. Oy, Mr. Doya, apat na. 7 minutes and 10. Quarter tray, short. Escorted to Arcelias to number 21. Mr. Daya. Out 9. Arcelias, center three. Wala. Rebound. Lumacab, lumibad, malakas. Doya. Good. To Arcelias. Oh, nice pass. Extra pass. Bait. Oh, Babel. Sumabit. Foul jersey number 6. Foul jersey number 6, so he is third, Percy Bell. 41-39. Corner break, wala. Number 21, wala pa rin. 21. 10 to shoot. Basket and one. For Monsanto. Basket and one foul. Jersey number 12, Arcelias. Correction, it was Palatas na yung foul counted.
Marabas.
Arcelias second. Wala. Number 3 is Galden. Tabek. Shot clock, 12 seconds. 12 to shoot. Number 1-1. Parsford Bay, malakas. Lumakap the rebound. Nice pass, number 21. Malakas. Is Galden. Tuloy to one. Ball out of bounds. Same ball. Sub. Parker Bay, wala. Ball out of bounds. 5 minutes and 25. Lumagaw. That's right, Ravel. Jersey number 08, almost to that. Mr. Balabes. First. Second team foul. Inline inbound. Shot clock. 8 seconds. Wala. Agawan, move. Number 21. Nice pass. Halasan. Basket plus the bell. May kauban pang bell.
Galingan na nagtanaw ko. Focus juga dulu.
Foul number 21. The Ayata first. Second team foul. Natag na. Reserve na lang. Basket sub. Short. Free throw violation. Sub. Tawag na. Monsanto. 4 minutes and 55. Third quarter. Malakas. Offensive rebound. Barata Spain getting him up. Tapik. 10 to shoot. Wala. Offensive rebound. December 13. Eagle Green. 8 to shoot. Tough shot. Lumakab. Tapik. Agaw up. Good. 4 minutes and 25. Lumakab. Lumipad. Wala. Nice challenge. Sino ba yan? Escalden. Balabes. 4 minutes and 10. Good defense ito. Kay Shalel. 4 minutes. 45-43. Uy, tirang tamad. Monsanto, wala. Minutes and 50. Arcelias spin. A foul. Jersey number 6, Reyes. Timeout. Team Dark. Timeout na. Reyes,
Score. 45.
13 bell. Okay, ang atong second game, championship game. Team Saison, Kadula, Team Pableng. Okay, two great girls for Arcelias. Remaining time, 3 minutes 46, third quarter. 1 point for Arcelias. 46-43. Super 2. Apat na lamang 47-43 for Arcelias. Labang ng Team Kenneth. Center tray, babang, lumakap. Hooray! Isa na lang, 47-46. 3 minutes and 30. Arcelias baseline. Short. Pinay na naman. Baratas, tuloy-tuloy, malakas. Big rebound. Halasan, agawan, agaw. Grabe nga mo tayo yun, no? 3 seconds. Gilustan yun. Ball out of bounds. Same ball, 3 minutes and 6. Baseline, Balabes. Baseline jumper. 2 minutes and 55. 49-46. Catch and shoot. Malakas. Rebound for number 21. Halasan, 3 against 2. Outnumber. Arcelias, fake. Balik kay Halasan. Balabes, wala. Patayo. For 13. Lumakap. Side step. Wala. Escante. To Balabes. Agaw. 2 minutes and 20. Baratas. Baratas spin. Agaw. Palita ng number 21. Arcelias. Power move. Lumakap. Corner three. In and out. Reyes, fight of it. Ball out of bounds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You know. Arcelias sa ilalim. Tatlo depensa. Wala. Lumakap. Lumakap. Try. Whoa. Gandang moves. Russian good. 1 minute and 35. 49-51. Dalawa na. Balabes. So number 21. Shot clock. 12 seconds. Ray! That was. Baway, wala. Daya. Nakashot 3 points niya. To Halasan. Spin. Baseline. For Halasan. 1 minute. Anim ang lamang. 55-49. 55 seconds. Lumagap. Yes. 50 seconds. Apat na. 45 seconds. Halasan. Melting the clock. 40 seconds. Shot clock 14. Daya. Baseline. Wala. Nice box out. Up. Relax na. 1 by 3. Boys, good. Spin. 25 seconds. Baratas. To number 36. Short. Daya. Abel. 50 15 seconds remaining time. Kitsa tayo foul. Number 22. Out two. Baratas. Third warning for penalty ba? 15 seconds remaining time. Wala sa penalty.
15 seconds.
10 seconds. Arcelias. 5 seconds. Baseline. Oh, whoa! End of the third quarter. 55-50. Lima lamang. Tim Kenneth, yellow.
Pili. Oh, sakto yung score.
Okay, once again, this COWD Bowlers Basketball Tournament 2026 would like to thank Bossing, Juvenal Pasila, MHTA President Jetsi Angmabara, Vice President Antonio Estrada.
Shout out.
Okay, ready na itong one. Inisulan. Atong second game, another exciting game. Championship game. Team Pabling versus
Nursing ka na, nursing.
Word balance.
Word balance. Nursing ka na, nursing.
Team Saison. Ang timeout. Tulog na timeout sa Team Kenneth. Duwag na timeout sa Team Dark. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Team Dark basketball. Oh. Ang 56-50, anim ang lamang. Baseline. Oh, yes. Monsanto. 52-56, apat.
EJ Rabal.
Shot clock 14. Arcelias on the try. Tuloy-tuloy, wala, short. Arcelias on the rebound. Escalden to Warkey.
Paitsa si Warke.
Oy, Agaw, steal. Lumangap. Oy, nice spin, nice pass. Off the board, number 21.
It's up to one.
That was the Ayana. Uy, dalawa na lang. Oh, sino ba na?
EJ Rabal.
Offensive foul. Number 12, Arcelias.
Warke. It's up, War. It's up.
Tulo third. Arcelias third. First rebound. Shot clock 14. Baratas to hook up. 10. Oh, nice one, wala. Offensive rebound, lumangkap. Foul, nakaabang bigay ka. Foul din mong depensa. Daya second team foul. Oh, sub. Balat. Balabes is in. Torres ko lang bang? $59-54, lima lamang, Team Kenneth. $59-54.
Lloyd, burak Lloyd.
9 lagi. Daya, Torcidas. Foul number 22, 23. Pulikit, upat. First rebound. Shot clock, reset 14. Atras sa kamayan. Yun o. Halasan.
Bro kicks.
Shot clock, 10 seconds, calling the play. Arcelia, Soy Tabeco. Shot clock, 8 seconds, 8 to shoot. Balagdes, wala. Dakayata. Tuloy-tuloy. Marangan. Offensive rebound, punta, wala. Lumaka, offensive rebound. Getting above. Nice pass. Bonsanto. 56-59, tatlo. Alasa, power drive, wala. Good. 5 minutes and 30. Lumakap. Power move. Oh, yes. Isa na lang. 58-59. 5 minutes and 20. Daya, isolation. Shot clock 14. Daya. 10. Power drive, wala. Rebound. Reyes. Reyes, wala. Daya, good. Daya. To Halasan, nice pass. Balagdes, nadulas. Timeout, Team Kenneth, both teams nagduwa ka timeout. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 51. Final quarter. This is a battle for third. For the first COWD on Cagayan de Oro Water District Bowlers Basketball Tournament 2026 of Bossing Subina Basila. You know. Okay, that's in the ball game. Oh, bye-bye at the crowd, sa background. Mga COWD workers and mga neighbors. Live watching. O katong wala pang kapalo sa akong live ha. Sa akong FB page siya. Elingy James House. Paki-like, follow and share sa akong live. Dayata. Tubarata. Short. Nakagawa ng offensive rebound. 10 to shoot. 5. Off the board, malakas. Iscardin and rebound. 4 minutes and 20.
Burak pre.
59-58, isa lamang. Arcelia, Spade. Corner play, malak. Halasan offensive rebound. Agaw. Tapas, pass play, malak. Arcelia, Babel. Foul, jersey number 2, illegal use of hands. Monsanto,
Alex game ba? Motoran nila.
upat na, second D-bell, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Arcelias. Oh, nice pass, Balagdes, short. Ball out of bounds, Team Dark, let's go. Di kita naman. Match na match, battle for third.
Ay bana. Ay bana.
Monsanto libre sa tres. Babang! Way! Lamang na. Team Dark. O Team Kamugwas.
Burak kicks.
3 minutes and 35. Babawi. Oh! Hooray! Balagdes. Bumawi kagad. Balik sa lamang. Team Kenneth. Lumakap. Isolation. Kick out. Daya na fake. Baseline short. Ball out of bounds. 3 minutes and 14. 3-14.
Burak pre.
O tagduwag na tayo mga tag. Both teams. Balagdes to Daya. 3 minutes and 10. Post up. Shot clock. 14. Ardilla double team. Daya. Up. 3 seconds. Nangitlog sa ilalim. Malagpes. 3 minutes to make time. 3 minutes. Final quarter. Shot clock for the Harvard Way. Ray Monsanto. Money in the bank. Pabanda, back shot. Back-to-back 3 points by Monsanto. Halasan. Nabitawan, same ball. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14 seconds. Up. On number 20, Halasan technical foul. For unsportsmanlike behavior. Oh, sige na, kuha ka.
Carlo. Kasunod si Jam.
Oh, one technical breakthrough. Minutes and 36. 2:36. 1 point for the hands. Monsanto. Sabi. Dalawang tres. Malapes. Halasan. Good. 10 to shoot. Up. Oh, basket. Ubos pala na. Dito palapit pa. Ka-dribble pa. Lumakap. Lumakap first. 30 foul ba? 30 foul. Arcelias, Bosa. Paula na. Relax na. Wala na tayo second motion, mga kauban na sa bao. Okay na mga konting lambingan na. Number 2, Monsanto. Warning for technical for second motion. And Arcelias for second motion. Relax na. Si Paratas and the foul. O Paratas, 5 personal foul warning for excluded player. Ay, isa, 5 unom lang ka yung taman. Update sa ba ito ganyan lang yung unom? Di naman yung record. Naapoy Baratas ay Monsanto. Sakto man. Doon man sila. Foul down na. Barabas. Arcelias. 2 minutes and 20. Shot clock 14. Lumakap. Dili ka back. Ikaw. 10 to shoot. Monsanto. 5. Lumakap wala. Daya. Uy, offensive rebound. Reset 14. Block. Shot clock 10. Bars. Ray. Last few minutes. Abel. Warning for penalty.
MVP.
Dua-dua ang timeout. Both team 147. Of shot clock 18. Balagres. 12 to shoot. Arcelias men. Power move short. 1 minute and 35. Dayana. Building the clock. Oh, single shot clock 14. 125. Timeout. Team Dark. Oh, isa na timeout Dark. Dua sa yellow. Team Kenneth. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. Shot clock 14. Lumakap. 10 to shoot. Lumara, isolation. 5. Wala. Talahan. Oh. 1 minute and 10. Arcelias. Arcelias. Power move, Paragas. "57 seconds." Oh, isa, handle sa to referee. Oh. Oh, Team Dark pass move. 57 seconds. Haba pa ang oras. 57 seconds. Lumaka building the clock. 50 seconds. Alright, pass. Wala. 45 seconds. Daya. Tualasan. Over now. 39 seconds. Penalty.
Score.
23 pulling it. 5 personal foul. Excluded player fouled out. 39 seconds.
Bawang kadipisa.
59-64. Ay, dyan, dilay pila. Oh, 68-64.
Shot na ka lang, shot, shot. Shot down.
Oh, ikaw. Oh, 66. Tulo. Kaya na. Oh, time out. 34 seconds. Oh, isa-isa na time out. Both teams. 70-66 upat.
Daming tao.
34 seconds. Haba pa ng oras. Hanggat may oras, may pag-asa. O, isa-isa na timeout. O, penalty ang Dark, ang Kenneth, warning for penalty. O, inbound 14, shot clock 14. "34 seconds. Halasan, center Gray. Wala, offensive rebound tabi. Daya. 25 seconds. Oh, nice pass. Wala. Oh! 21 seconds o 14 inbound. 14 inbound, kaya ka na half court. 21 seconds. Time out! Team Dark. Oh, wala na yung timeout ang Team Dark na timeout ng Chip. 21 seconds. 70-68. Nabuhayan pa, Team Kenneth.
Lusot ka, lusot.
21 seconds. Oh, inbound 14, shot clock 14. Dahil wala na yung timeout ang Team Dark. Naka-play! 19 seconds na pala tayo. Oh, 1 yard, 1 yard. Wala na yung timeout ang yellow ha. Ang Team Dark na yung Dark. Hands up lang, hands up lang, hands up lang mo. Hands up lang. Hands up. Foul away from the ball, holding foul, Daya. A technical foul, iwapan ng bola, release. Lang, sir, na foul lang, foul. Foul, away from the ball, yan ang kanila mo. Oh, Daya. Daya third. Penalty. 19 seconds. Oh, 9 timeout ang Team Kenneth. Wala na yung timeout ang Team Dark na may isa. 19 seconds. Wala. Sablay. Basket timeout. Wala. Tabla tayo. Oh, basket timeout. Reserve. 19 seconds. Kung mahirap tayo. You know. Okay, timeout. Oh, both teams ha. Wala na yung timeout. Penalty ng puros. Isa rin naman.
70-71. Nabaw ang itong kontra sa Yelo.
That's the ball game. Hoy, once again, ang salamat ng bossing Jominal Pasira. Yun o. Gusto sa nagpapagaling. Nagpapansa ng liga. Nagpainom pa yun. Ayun o. 19 seconds. Inbound 14, shot clock 14. Napres siya, napres. Napres siya mo diya. Tanaw na mo diya.
Bula, bula!
19 seconds, 5 seconds differential na. Shot clock 14, inbound 14. Inbound, Halasan. Todaya. Balik kay Halasan. Nice cut! Oh, papaw! Penalty! Kita tayo ba 21? Second penalty. 12 seconds remaining time. Wala na yung timeout na both teams.
Makuha ni nila. Daw sila. Dua.
21 na ayata. Second penalty, both teams. Two free throws for Arcelias. 1 point. Tabla na tayo. Wala na yung timeout na both teams. Penalty na yung both teams. 12 seconds. Kulpahinang. O, naka-live na. Oy, shout-out sa itong 150 viewers. You know, sa itong live, mga itong audience. 300. Oy, lamang! Kim Kenneth. 10 seconds. 8. Wala! 5 seconds. 2. Congratulations! Winner! Team Kenneth, nanaig ang mga veterano. Oh, nice game, nice game. Nanaig ang mga veterano, lamang ng 4 kaniya. 68-64. Oh, shake hands, everyone, shake hands. Nice game, nice game. Kada kayo. You know.
Ayaw putla. Ayaw putla.
Okay, picture naman, picture para itong documentation. Para sa itong pang-my day.
subscriber. Imo. Pero sa hashtag ba? Hindi mo, barangay Kurti. Kahit na
Okay, requested shutout, Mr. Jason Ochoa.